Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa depensa, China nagalit at nagprotesta sa Pilipinas, Pilipinas pumalag sa protesta ng China, pero bago tayo magpatuloy huwag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe, manatiling nakatutok sa aming channel para updated ka sa balitang militar at West Philippine Sea. Ipinahayag ng China ang pagtutol nito sa pag-deploy ng Estados Unidos ng mga Typhoon missile sa Pilipinas, na sinasabing will not sit idly by sa banta ng pag-deploy ng missile system sa gitna ng mga tensyon sa West Philippine Sea. Ginawa ni Guo ang pahayag ng tanungin tungkol sa naunang pahayag ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., na handa siyang i-pull out ang US Typhoon missile sa bansa kung ititigil ng China ang mga agresyon nito sa pinagtatalunang karagatan. Sa bahagi nito, naniniwala ang China na ang deployment ng US Army missile sa Pilipinas ay walang magandang naidudulot sa regional stability.
关于美国在菲律宾部署中程导弹问题，中方已多次阐明其严重危害和坚决反对立场。在中导问题上，菲律宾一再自食其言，背信弃义。菲方曾多次就引入低风作出解释，承诺是临时部署，在相关演习结束后就会撤走，但却一再违背承诺，出尔反尔，甚至改口称要购买中导系统，获得威慑能力，还公然把南海问题同低风中导问题挂钩，不仅荒谬，也极为危险。众所周知，低风中导系统是战略进攻性武器，射程覆盖大多数东南亚国家。美国在菲律宾部署中导，严重破坏地区和平稳定，损害他国正当安全利益。菲方配合美方引入低风，将自身安全和国防拱手于人，更把地缘对抗和军备竞赛风险引入域内，是害人害己之举。中方绝不会坐视自身安全利益受到危害或威胁，地区国家也不会接受这种倒行逆施的做法。我们敦促菲方改弦更张，做出真正有利于菲律宾国家和人民根本利益的战略选择，不要在低风中导等问题上一错再错，搬起石头砸自己的脚。我愿用同样的句式来回答你的问题。没有一个中国人会认同，在菲律宾侵权挑衅时，中方不做出正当合法的回应。中方一贯反对利用南海问题搞政治。
Pumalag naman dito ang Pilipinas at itinanggi ng National Security Council na nangako ang Pilipinas sa China na tatanggalin nito ang US Typhoon missile system sa bansa. Ginawa ni NSC spokesperson Jonathan Malaya ang paglilinaw sa isang pulong balitaan araw ng Biyernes. Aniya, hindi kailanman gumawa ng anumang commitment ang Pilipinas sa People's Republic of China kaugnay sa naturang usapin. Sa halip, inialok aniya ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa pamamagitan ng media na tanggalin ang mid-range missile system sa bansa kung ititigil ng China ang mga agresibong aksyon nito sa West Philippine Sea, subalit hanggang sa ngayon aniya ay walang natatanggap na maayos na tugon ng bansa hinggil dito. Ipinaliwanag din ni Malaya na ang missile system ay nasa bansa dahil may Mutual Defense Treaty ang Pilipinas sa US. At kailangan aniya ng mga sundalo ng Pilipinas na maging pamilyar sa weapon systems ng mga partner at kaalyado ng ating bansa.
Philippines never promised the People's Republic of China that we will draw the Typhoon missile system from the Philippines. We never made any commitment to the PRC in this regard. You can review, the members of the media can review any of the statements coming from the Philippine authorities to China. Okay, and you will never find any instance that I have spoken or Secretary Teodoro or Secretary Anyo has spoken or even the Secretary of Foreign Affairs has said that we made a commitment to the PRC to withdraw those Typhoon missile systems. What the Philippines did and said through President Bongbong Marcos is that if the People's Republic of China will stop its illegal, coercive, aggressive, and deceptive actions in the West Philippine Sea, then he offered PRC a deal that the president will then remove the Typhoon missile systems immediately from Philippine soil. But when the People's Republic of China was asked about this, there was virtually no response. And you can look at the transcripts coming from the press conferences in Beijing. This question was asked point blank, and the reply was not responsive. So we had no response whatsoever. Statements coming from Beijing regarding the continued criticism of the Philippine decision to keep the U.S. Typhoon missile system here. And the Foreign Ministry in Beijing was quoted as saying that it could spark an arms race in the Philippines, in the Asia-Pacific area. And there was also this statement coming from Beijing that the Philippines, and I quote, has pledged that the deployment was temporary and that the system will be shipped out after relevant military exercises. However, the Philippines has breached such commitments. So, allow us to respond to that by saying that the Philippines has the sovereign and inherent right to upgrade its defense capabilities in opportunities which it deems appropriate. It is in the same spirit that we have not commented on Chinese missiles inventory, because we also believe that the PRC as a sovereign state has also this opportunity or responsibility to also improve their defense capabilities. I am referring, of course, to instances when the PRC has conducted what it calls as routine military training, wherein it deployed or tested some of their missiles, like the DF-17, the DF-21, and the DF-41. And the DF-41 has a range of 15,000 kilometers, which can reach beyond the Philippines and into the Pacific Ocean. At every specific instance that the PRC has conducted these tests, they never heard from us. We never criticized, we never commented even on their continued improvement of their offensive capabilities. So we feel that it is deceptive on the part of the People's Republic of China to comment on our right to improve our defense capabilities and position while they continue to improve their offensive capabilities. Again, let me reiterate what we have been saying. The Typhoon missile system is deployed only for defense capabilities and will only be used in that manner. It is part of the defense modernization efforts, which the PRC is also doing. Okay, so there's nothing irregular about this. And we'd also like to clearly state that the Philippines adheres to the provisions of the Philippine Constitution that we can neither employ the use of nuclear weapons or engage in offensive war. Because the Philippines, as you all know, in its constitution, has this provision that will announce war as an instrument of national policy.
Ginawa ni Malaya ang naturang pahayag matapos sabihin ni Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wu Jiaquan na nangako umano ang Pilipinas na temporary lang ang deployment ng US Typhoon missile system at tatanggalin sa bansa pagkatapos ng kaugnay na military exercises. Matatandaan na dumating sa Pilipinas ang Typhoon missile mula sa US noong 11 ng Abril nakaraang taon at unang ginamit noong balikatan exercises at nanatili na sa bansa mula noon. Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.